All right, so good morning and welcome to our Board of Trustees presentation. So I also have with me my co-manager, India. We'll go ahead and initiate the presentation here. We'll start with our financial performance for the years that India and I were co-managers. So we have the net revenue of the company. That's the first graph. Shows that we were pretty stable for all the years, and then at the last 3 years we did started to go up a little bit more with our net revenue. Now the second graph shows our return of equity. It has been progressively going up, especially on the last year. We are working hard to make sure that our investors feel that they are getting some return of their investments. Our earnings per share also, for all the years we were co-managers, it was always going up. For the past 3 years, it went up and for the most part met the investors' expectations. Similarly with the stock price, for the first couple of years we were not doing so well, but then after that we started to have our stock prices going up. We bought a lot of our shares back in the last 3 years. So it did affect our stock price at that point. Our image rating, same thing. The first couple of years we were not doing so well, but then after that we adjusted a few things within our company, the design of the products, and now that our image rating started to go up and was pretty stable for the past years. Our credit rating, first couple of years we had that start, but then after that we increased our credit rating, and it has been A for the past years. The next slide will show us A.D.C's strategic vision. Very quickly, our company aims to develop and deliver the highest quality, most inspiring and inventive wearable cameras and drones. We are determined to add value to our products by offering tremendous cost benefit to our customers. And how we're doing that? This is just for North America, but we are in North America for the camera segment. We are the lowest, the second lowest price. I'm sorry. And, but we still have, a great product. We offer great features to our customer. So that's our goal with our UAV drone segment as well. We are right now the highest price in the market, as the graph shows here for North America specifically. However, our goal is to add some features to our drones without increasing price for our customers, and that's for the next 2 years. So we want to add features without increasing price. Performance targets for the years 15 and 16. EPS $12.65, and then $15.80. And that's pretty based on our past years. This is definitely doable. An increase of 10 to 15% of what we currently have as our EPS. ROE, we have that very high right now, so we want to keep it about the same for the next 2 years. Same thing with our credit rating. Our plan is to keep it as is for the next 2 years. Our image rating, so we believe that for the next 2 years, we can increase it considerably since we are going to be working on adding features to our, especially to our drones, without increasing the prices. So that should impact our image rate. Stock prices, we project that for the next 2 years, it will reach $330 and then $345 respectively. Now we are gonna go over our competitive strategy for A.D.C cameras in North America. And it's true for all the other markets. Our aim is to be the best cost provider. So we are not the cheapest, but we are one of the products that the customer will buy for a reasonable price and will receive a great product with amazing features that will definitely deliver what they expect. So again, we are the lowest price in the market in North America, and we have 22% of the market share. So we are the second. We are far away from the company that has 41% of the market share. However, our plan is to grow our market share by investing in marketing, keep our prices about the same for the next years, and investing new retail as well, new people to sell our product. For Europe, for the still with A.D.C cameras, we have the same strategy for Europe and Africa. Again, we are the second lowest price in the market. We have 21% of the market share. And that has been pretty stable through the years that we managed the company. We had about 25 at the beginning, 25% of the market share. It went up and down, and for the 14th year, we have 21%. Asia and Pacific, similar to the other markets. Again, we are the second lowest. We have about 22% of the market share. And lastly, for Latin America, we are also the second lowest price, and we have 3% of the market share. Now India is gonna go over the A.D.C drones competitive strategy.
For the UAV drones competitive strategy of North America, we focus on differentiation. It's heavily invested in new features to offer unique attributes. And we didn't have any increases for the next 2 years in North America and Europe, Africa. In the past 3 years, we increased market shares in North America, and the graph is below. We had 12% in it from year 12, and to year 14, it went up to approximately 15%. I can't change the slide. Hello?
Yeah, it's the next one already. I changed.
Okay, so the competitive strategy for Europe, Africa is pretty much the same as North America with it starting at year 12%, and year 14, about 15, closer to 16%. So I'll say about 15.90%. In Asia, we use the best cost provider and the second lowest price. As you can see, A.D.C, we were at 23%, and Dynamic Technologies had the highest at 45%. So we are currently at the second highest percentage for the best cost provider and second lowest price. For Latin America, we use the best cost provider and the second lowest price. We were at 25% with Dynamic Technologies being at 36%. And we had a high PQ rating for Latin America as well. For the AC camera production, year 13 had added 40 new workstations for AC camera assembly facilities for a total of 340 workstations. We didn't do any overtime for year 14, and there were 120 workstations, and year 15 and 16 added 10 and 20 new stations respectively. A.D.C production strategy is for the next 2 years to invest in a new workstation spaces. And that would conclude our strategy for A.D.C's company and